बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD बहुत ही मजेदार तरीके से। तो सभी बच्चे साथ मिलकर बोलेंगे और सीखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Apple, apple. Apples are delicious and healthy fruits. Let's all say apple. B for ball. Balls are fun to play. Can you bounce a ball? Say ball. C for cat. Cats are cute and love to play. Can you mew like a cat? Say cat. D for dog. Dogs are our best friends. Can you bark like a dog? Say dog. E for elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have big ears. Say elephant. F for fish. Fish swim in water. Can you try to swim like a fish? Say fish. G for giraffe. Giraffes have long snake to reach high trees. Can you straight your neck? Say giraffe. H for horse. Horse are strong and fast. Can you glow like a horse? Say horse. I for ice cream. Ice cream is a yummy treat. What's your favorite flavor? Say ice cream. J for joker. Joker make us laugh with funny tricks. Can you tell a joke? Say joker. K for kite. Kites fly high in the sky. Can you pretend to fly a kite? Say kite. L for lion. Lions are known as the king of the jungle. Can you roar like a lion? Say lion. M for monkey. Monkey love to swing and play. Can you swing like a monkey? Say monkey. N for neck. Birds make necks to lay their egg. Can you pretend to make a nest? Say neck. O for owl. Owls are wise and come out at night. Can you hold like a owl? Say owl. P for parrot. Parrot can talk and mimic sound. What can you say? Say parrot. Q for queen. Queens wear crown and rule their kingdom. Can you wave like a queen? Say queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit hop around and are very cute. Can you hoop like a rabbit? Say rabbit. S for snake. A snake slider on the ground. Can you slide like a snake? Say snake. T for tiger. Tigers are pirates, have beautiful stripes. Can you glow like a tiger? Say tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella keep us dry in the rain. Can you pretend to open an umbrella? Say umbrella. V for violin. Violins make beautiful music. Can you pretend to play a violin? Say violin. W for whales. Whales are the largest animal in the oceans. Can you Slap like a whale, say whale. X for xylophone. Xylophones make happy sound. Can you play along? Say xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Yak live in the mountains. Ants are furry. Can you pretend to be a yak? Say yak. Jet. Jet for zebra. Zebras have black and white strips. Can you run like a zebra? Say zebra.